If the Reels trial option is not showing up on Instagram, here are a few things you can try to fix it. First, open Instagram and go to your profile page. Tap the plus icon at the top and select Reel. Choose a video, tap Next, edit your reel if needed, and then tap Next again. On the final posting page, scroll down and check if the Reels trial option appears. If the option is missing, the first thing you should do is log out of your Instagram account and then log back in. To do that, go to your profile, tap the three-line menu, scroll down and select Log Out. Next, make sure your Instagram app is fully updated. Open the Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. After updating, reopen Instagram and check again for the feature. If it still doesn't appear, the Reels trial option may not be available in your country or region yet. Instagram often releases new features gradually, so some accounts may receive them later than others. Hopefully, this guide helped you fix the issue. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.